Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, obviously it's another Dollar Tree come with me or shop with me. I am getting quite a bit of stuff right here because oh my gosh guys, I have found so many awesome items. A lot of them are actually brand name. So I wanted to show you guys first these scrunchies right here. They're velvet, and guys, these are such amazing quality. So there's this beautiful green, this red or cherry red. There's this really beautiful nude pink. There's also this nude one right here, and they also have that teal, which is right here. So beautiful. Like I said guys, they have so many hair products that are so amazing. Look at this. They have these Conair, the roll and pin. These are brand name guys. They have these scuncies, hair wraps, and some ponytail holders. Here's these that I don't know if I showed you guys. So it's this beautiful blue and this beautiful green. That is like perfect for the fall. Moving on, they also have these hair clips right here. There's this one. And guys, I really like this one. If you guys have not tried it, you really need to. So they are like bun makers, and they're really awesome. There's some more bobby pins. There's also this one by Remington. Also found these. They're snap elastics, and they also have these hair scrunchies. They have so many of the Scunci brands, guys. It is insane. Right now they're actually carrying the really big brushes, so this one is pretty big, and then they also have this one in this shape. Overall they have like all sorts of shapes, sizes, and colors, but right now they have so many brushes, which is pretty awesome. If you go to Walmart or Target, they run between $5 to $10, so to get it at Dollar Tree is pretty amazing. And there's some more right here by Scunci. I am gonna pick up a few of these. Carrying right now are these bath bombs. So these are called Goddess. These back. These are the eye mask. I think these are actually really perfect guys if you have a headache, to put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes and put them on your eyes. I think these are really awesome. They have them in green, blue, and pink, and then they also have a lot of these shower caps. So there's these, there's that one right there. I really like that one, the tropical print. And guys, they also have these facial brushes. I'm telling you guys, these are really awesome. If you have never tried them, you really need to. They are amazing. Really excited about this. So if you guys have babies, oh my gosh, I am so excited to find this. So they have these infant baby spoons, and there's 12 of them. Guys, this is such an awesome deal. I am gonna pick up this one with the purple and pink. That is the last one, so I guess it's really popular in that color. Must be a lot of girls that are babies right now, but yeah, I'm so excited. I had to show you guys. And they do have these plates, which I don't always see, but yeah, they do have these plates. I just wish they would have some bowls, because that's something that I'm actually looking for. I'm thinking of getting at Walmart. Okay guys, I also got these, I also found these semi-permanent hair color. So there's one with the lavender, the teal, and the blush. Let me know if you guys have ever tried these. I have not, but I just seen them and I thought that was interesting. I thought that was interesting. So there's that. Okay guys, I also found these by Hard Candy. They are the metallic mousse. They're liquid lipsticks, and I am thinking of getting one. So it looks like this. And this is in the color Penny Talk, and this is how it looks. And I also found a bunch of these artificial nails. So there's this one, which I think is perfect for 4th of July. There's a leopard one. There's this one right here, which is kind of like abstract and geometric. And there's this one right here that looks more like a marble design. I'm really excited about this find right here. These are Hard Candy Plumping Serum Lip Gloss. And these are the only colors that I found, but oh my gosh, are they not beautiful? I am definitely gonna pick one up. I'm very curious. I think it's very eye-catching. And I did try to find the color of this or the name, but it doesn't say. That I want to share with you guys are these designer carrying case. I don't know why they call them designer, but they're basically sunglass holders. There's a pink one, a mint, a blue, a yellow, and a clear. That's all of them that I can see right here. Quickly guys, since I am a mom of an 8-month-old, they do have baby hangers here. It's a pack of 6, so they have the white ones, the blue ones, and the pink one.